Mangwana Saturday.
Yes.
Mangwana on Saturday. How do we say Saturday in Shona?
Mugovera.
Mogovera.
Yes.
Yes, Mangwana Mogorera. Don't miss out.
Mugovera.
Mogovera.
Yes, good job. Mangwana Mugovera. Don't miss out. So tomorrow, Saturday at 1 p.m. cut Zimbabwean time, we'll be praying for people on our YouTube page, on our YouTube channel. So all those who want to be part and parcel of this service, we kindly ask you now to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will not miss out. So tomorrow at exactly 1 p.m., make sure that you are alive. We'll be praying for the sick, praying for those who are in need, for healing, miracles, breakthrough. So let's meet tomorrow.
Amen. Amen. Mangwana Magorera.
Yes, Mugovera.
Mogovera.
Mangwana Mugovera.
Mogovera.
Yes.
Please see you there.
Yes, very true. So the link is in the comment section for the service. God bless you.
Amen.